Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
First, confirm your account has a Zoom phone license and an assigned 10-digit number. Next, download the Zoom desktop or mobile app and sign in with your company account. Then open the Zoom web portal to assign direct numbers and configure caller ID. Use the admin settings to choose local dialing rules and set emergency addresses for 911 calls. Finally, verify service region, time zone, and billing plan so calling features work correctly across your organization. To place calls, open the Zoom phone tab and dial a 10-digit number to call external PSTN phones. Tap the green call button or select a contact to place or answer calls from desktop or mobile. Use the keypad to enter extension numbers or keypad prompts during automated menus. Transfer calls by choosing warm transfer or blind transfer and selecting the recipient. Review call history and voicemail in the app to retrieve missed calls and listen to saved messages. Configure auto receptionist, call queues, and ring groups in the admin portal for professional call routing. Port numbers or request new DIT assignments through your Zoom admin billing settings to retain existing numbers. Set caller ID, emergency address, and outbound rules to match compliance requirements. Use Do Not Disturb, call forwarding, and device selection to manage where incoming calls ring. If audio issues occur, test network bandwidth, update the app, and switch to a wired headset or Ethernet connection for stability.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.